on these sides here, you can actually see what you're doing. So I was just about ready to say, I know why some people at the factory discourage putting these things on. They do slow you down because of this extra mass hanging out into the air. However, it lets you land at slower speeds. And there's some runways that I would like to make it into that have runways less than 4,000 or 5,000 feet. And this will do the trick. I guess it's pretty well known that if you want to take an airplane and modify it for racing, one of the things they do is just chop off the wing. So there's less wing hanging out in the air. It just stalls at a higher speed. So I'm going to opt for an airplane that stalls at a higher speed. I guess at any point later I can come along and chop the wing off and put the wing tips on instead of the winglets. However, in this kit, this is which I purchased from an individual who had it for 6 years, and all he did was close in the wings. I say all. That's probably going to be one of the most daunting things a person does, is to close the wings in, and it would be an excellent idea to have that done at the factory. So I got the wings closed in, and he bought all the every goodie that you could think of, and this I inherited, and I figured by the time that I would send all this back to the factory, there would be additional cost and additional time, and part of my charge is expediency, and all somebody has to do is say, oh, that's difficult to build. And I guess I like the challenge.